In the heart of today's bustling metropolises, space is an absolute premium. As urban centers grow more crowded, modern apartment living increasingly means adapting to smaller footprints, from compact one-bedrooms to hyper-efficient studio apartments. While decorating a small space often feels like a puzzle with missing pieces, one design philosophy has mastered the art of compact, harmonious living for centuries: Japanese minimalism. Born out of an island nation where space has historically been limited, this aesthetic is not just about making a room look good. It is a highly functional survival guide for modern microliving. This guide explores how to apply Japanese-inspired minimalism to small modern spaces, turning cramped quarters into expansive, breathable sanctuaries. The core philosophy: intentionality over accumulation. The fundamental rule for applying Japanese interior design to a small apartment is shifting your mindset from accumulation to intentionality. In a confined footprint, every single object, piece of furniture, and decorative item must justify its presence. The Japanese concept of ma, the celebration of negative space, becomes your most powerful tool. In a small apartment, empty space is not wasted space. It is the visual oxygen that prevents the room from feeling claustrophobic. By deliberately leaving walls bare and corners empty, you trick the eye into perceiving a much larger room. Before bringing any new item into a micro-apartment, you must ask if it serves a distinct, daily purpose or brings immense joy. If it does neither, it has no place in the design. Zoning without walls. Fluidity in micro-apartments. One of the greatest challenges of a small modern space is the need for a single room to serve as a bedroom, living room, home office, and dining area. Traditional Japanese architecture solves this through the use of shoji and fusuma, sliding doors and paper partitions that allow rooms to seamlessly transition and change function depending on the time of day. In a modern apartment, you can replicate this fluidity without undertaking a major renovation. Instead of heavy bookcases or solid room dividers that block precious natural light, utilize vertical wooden slat partitions. These light, slatted dividers gently separate a sleeping alcove from a living area while allowing light and air to circulate freely. Alternatively, use natural fiber rugs to delineate distinct zones on the floor. When you visually section a small apartment into dedicated areas using permeable boundaries, the apartment feels multidimensional rather than like one overcrowded box. Mastering concealed storage, the invisible infrastructure. Clutter is the ultimate enemy of small spaces. Even a few items left on a kitchen counter or entryway table can make a studio apartment feel chaotic and disorganized. Japanese minimalism relies heavily on brilliant, hidden storage solutions. Historically, Japanese homes utilized tansu, mobile storage cabinetry, often built seamlessly into staircases or walls. For the modern apartment dweller, this translates to maximizing built-in, concealed storage that blends perfectly with the architecture. If floor-to-ceiling built-ins are not an option, seek out multifunctional furniture with substantial hidden compartments. A platform bed with deep, sliding drawers underneath, a sleek storage ottoman, or an entryway bench with hidden shoe compartments are absolutely essential. In the kitchen, utilize flat-panel, handleless cabinets with push-to-open mechanisms. When your daily necessities are tucked away completely out of sight, your small apartment instantly transforms into a serene, distraction-free environment. Scaling down, the illusion of high ceilings. When square footage is limited, the only direction to expand is upward. Japanese interiors famously feature low-profile furniture, which originated from the ancient tradition of sitting, dining, and sleeping on tatami mats close to the floor. By incorporating low-slung furniture into your modern apartment, you artificially lower the room's center of gravity. A low-platform bed without a bulky headboard, a low-backed modular sofa, and a minimalist, ground-hugging coffee table all create a larger expanse of empty wall space above them. This visual trickery makes standard apartment ceilings feel dramatically higher, successfully counteracting the box effect common in small units. Furthermore, ensure your furniture has exposed, slender legs rather than sitting flush on the floor. Being able to see the floor extending underneath a sofa or armchair gives the illusion of continuous, uninterrupted square footage. The light and color matrix, maximizing illumination. Small apartments often suffer from a lack of adequate windows or are shadowed by neighboring high-rises. To maximize whatever natural light you possess, a meticulously chosen Japanese-inspired color palette is crucial. Move away from stark, clinical whites and instead embrace warm, soft, nature-inspired neutrals. Plaster-like off-whites, pale bamboo tones, and soft dove grays reflect light beautifully without feeling harsh or sterile. When the sun sets, your artificial lighting must be equally intentional. Avoid harsh, singular overhead lights that cast sharp shadows and visually shrink the room. Instead, embrace the concept of diffused, ambient light, much like a traditional washi paper lantern. Use paper-shaded floor lamps, warm LED strip lighting concealed behind a low headboard or under floating shelves, and small table lamps to create pools of soft, layered light. This lighting strategy adds incredible depth and dimension to a small room, making the sharp corners blur and the space feel intimately infinite. Micronature, grounding the urban experience. A key tenet of Japanese design is cultivating a deep, daily connection to the natural world. However, you do not need a sprawling indoor jungle to achieve this. In fact, too many potted plants can easily overwhelm a small apartment and create a sense of clutter. Instead, practice the art of restraint. Introduce nature through singular, highly impactful elements. A single, elegantly curved branch in a minimalist ceramic vase, a small, meticulously cared-for bonsai tree on a desk, or a hanging kokidama, moss ball, near a window provides a vital visual connection to the outdoors. Complement these living elements with raw natural materials throughout the apartment, a live-edge wooden stool, breathable linen drapery, or a river stone soap dish in the bathroom. These tactile, organic touches beautifully ground the often sterile architecture.